Good morning. I trust you're having a splendid day.
Good morning, Mr. John. I am, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. It's always a joy to see my students eager to learn. Speaking of which, I've been wondering about your favorite subjects this semester. Anything in particular that has caught your interest?
Oh, that's a great question. I'm really enjoying my English class. Literature has always been a passion of mine, and delving into different works allows me to explore various cultures and perspectives.
That's fantastic. Literature is such a rich field, offering a profound understanding of the human experience. Are there any specific books or authors that have left a lasting impression on you?
Absolutely, right now. We're immersed in the works of Gabriel Garcia Marquez. And the concept of magical realism is just fascinating. 100 Years of Solitude is like a literary journey into a dream.
Marquez's works are truly enchanting. The way he weaves reality and fantasy is unparalleled. Now, reflecting on your overall educational experience, are there any memorable moments that stand out for you?
Well, last semester, I took part in a debate competition for the first time. It was nerve-wracking but incredibly rewarding. The skills I developed in constructing arguments and public speaking have proven valuable beyond the debate floor.
That's commendable. Stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to some of the most significant personal and academic growth. Moving on. Have you ever explored opportunities for self-education or used online learning resources to supplement your studies?
Absolutely. I've been trying out some online courses. The abundance of platforms offering diverse subjects is astounding. I've taken coding classes on Khan Academy, and it's been eye-opening to grasp the basics of programming.
It's wonderful that you're embracing a variety of learning avenues. Do you find that these online resources complement your traditional classroom experience?
Definitely, they provide flexibility, allowing me to explore topics not covered in my regular courses. The self-paced nature of online learning is particularly helpful, and it allows me to delve deeper into subjects that genuinely interest me.
The flexibility of online learning is indeed a significant advantage. Are there specific online resources or platforms that you found exceptionally beneficial in your self-education journey?
Coursera has been a game changer for me. The range of courses they offer is impressive, and the quality of instruction is top-notch. Plus, earning certifications from reputable platforms adds a valuable layer to my academic and professional profile.
Coursera is an excellent choice. It's remarkable how technology has democratized access to education. Now, considering your experiences, do you have any advice for your peers who might be contemplating self-education or exploring online resources?
Absolutely. I would encourage them not to hesitate in trying out new things. There's a wealth of knowledge out there, and online platforms make it more accessible than ever. It's about finding what you're passionate about and taking the initiative to learn more.
That's solid advice. Taking initiative is indeed crucial for personal and academic growth. It's been a pleasure delving into your educational journey.
I appreciate the opportunity to have this conversation. It's always enlightening to reflect on one's educational experiences.
As we navigate through this ever-evolving landscape of education, have you noticed any changes in your learning preferences or approaches over time?
That's an interesting question. I think I've become more proactive in seeking out additional learning experiences. The combination of traditional classes and online resources has allowed me to tailor my education to my interests.
It's wonderful to see students like you taking ownership of your learning journey. Speaking of which, considering the integration of technology in education, do you think there are aspects of online learning that could be incorporated into traditional classrooms to enhance the overall learning experience?
Definitely. Online forums and discussion boards have proven to be excellent platforms for engaging with classmates beyond the physical classroom. They could enhance collaborative learning, even in traditional settings. Also, the use of multimedia resources in online courses could be integrated into lectures for a more dynamic learning experience.
Those are insightful observations. The blend of traditional and modern approaches can truly create a rich and dynamic learning environment. On a related note, how do you manage to balance your time between traditional classes, self-education, and other aspects of your life?
Time management has been a learning process for me. I use a planner to organize my schedule and set realistic goals for each day. Prioritizing tasks has been key, and I've learned to recognize when to take breaks to avoid burnout.
It sounds like you've developed some effective strategies. Time management is a crucial skill that extends far beyond the classroom. Now, thinking about the future, do you have any specific career goals or aspiration that you're working towards?
I'm still exploring my options, but I've been considering a career in writing, or possibly combining my love for literature with technology. I've been looking into careers that allow for creative expression and problem solving.
That's fantastic. The intersection of literature and technology can lead to some innovative and fulfilling career paths. As you explore these possibilities, do you feel that the diverse range of courses you've taken, both in traditional and online settings, has helped shape your career interests?
Absolutely. It's given me a broader perspective and a set of skills that I believe will be valuable in various fields. The combination of critical thinking from literature and practical skills from online courses creates a well-rounded foundation.
That's a valuable insight. Your interdisciplinary approach to education will likely serve you well in the future. As we conclude our conversation for now, is there anything else on your mind or any topics you'd like to explore further?
Not at the moment, but I appreciate the opportunity to discuss these aspects of my education. It's been a thought-provoking conversation.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, the journey of learning is ongoing, and I'm always here if you want to continue our conversations. Have a wonderful day.